Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to set up uh, one step login disclaimer on the Sophos Central. So how we can set up? Let's start. You can log in with your firewalls, go in the administrator setting, then after click on add device access and then scroll down and then and user setting, sorry admin and user setting. Go in the sections, you can see your firewall name and port, and then scroll down and then you can see login disclaimer setting. So how it can use, and you can just click here enable, and here you can also click one page authentication page will be landed. So no issue, you can set message, what message you need to set up. Once you click on login disclaimer setting, then here you can get preview disclaimer message. You can set message what you need to any users will login like that. Let's start, let's show you. Let's just click on apply this button. Are you sure you want to update the login disclaimer setting? Yes, I want to sure. Then how it's look like, you need to, I just log out these firewalls. After log out I will re-log in, then it will give one pop-up, and where you can set your message for if in your organization many employee login with firewalls, then you can set up our message. Yeah, you can see this message is belong access warning. You can set here any this is private computer systems authorizes access user provided to only authorized users can are permitted. This message you can set, and if you are a click I accept to continue access, I decline if you will be log out. If I decline, then I will log out. That's the point. So how you can set, and you can set up message as well, so you can protect your systems and as per law, as per systems. This is a process how it's look like, and you can enable or disable as well. You can enable or disable, like if you don't need this setting, just go on the sections and disable that setting, so automatically this will be disabled. This will be extra layer security official, so you can use like this, and this is very helpful. So thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel video. Jai Hind.